when you sit down, you can lay down and have a picnic and watch the clouds go by. And they make all different kind of shapes. They might be an animal. They might be a flower. You could make up lots of different things. Some clouds are puffy. Some clouds are very, very thin. But up in the clouds is moisture. And that moisture, when it gets real heavy, it rains. We're going to make a cloud today using some of your dad's shaving cream, a glass of water, and some food coloring. You ready? Let's see what happens. So we're going to take our shaving cream. We're going to make a little cloud on top of the water. Oh, there we go. Oh, that one's almost out. Let's try this one. A little bit of cloud on that. One more time. There it goes. Look how tall that cloud came. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of food coloring. If you want to make a rainbow cloud, you can have all different colors. Blue and yellow and red and orange. But be careful. It might make your finger turn blue too. Let's see. We're going to find and watch carefully underneath. You'll see it start to rain. Look at that. There it comes. Can you hear the rain? Listen again. You can use the rain stick that you made last week during music class when you do this experiment and listen for the rain. Wait a minute. Whoa. I think I felt a drop. Let's get this up. There we go. Up. There. Now I won't get rained on. And I guess it is true. April showers really do bring May flowers. Until next time, stay dry. Bye-bye.